NASCAR fans and YouTube viewers. I'm Brendan Gavgan, one of my YouTube channel, NASCAR 88 Brendan Gavgan 24 here, coming to you to this historic racing race car museum. Come visit the Himes Museum of Motor Racing. Historic, right? Let's go and see what's inside. Look what's back behind me. Check this out. An old race car. Classic. So let's go inside. See how it goes. See you inside. Now entering this museum here. Oh man. Nice, good looking cars. Well, that's classic. 250. That's a good classic gas tank. Hey, man.
Tips and all?
Yeah, what?
Tips and all.
Tips and all, man.
That means, I'm doing okay financially.
Hey, I'm Brendan
That's
Gavgan.
a joke. Who?
I'm Brendan Gavgan. Nice to meet you.
Nice. My age, it's nice meeting anybody.
Yeah.
I'm Rich McCaw.
Oh, I don't care. Make up your mind.
More of a big NASCAR fan. Chase Elliott and Kyle Larson.
I'm not just NASCAR.
Then what are you?
ARDC, USAC, midgets.
History of
sprint cars.
racing, aren't you?
Who?
History of racing, aren't you?
That's me.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to know anything, you're the right place. How'd you find out about this place?
Online.
See, I don't deal with that. Yeah, somebody does it for me, not me.
Yeah.
I don't have time for the cell phone or
Oh, the 2011 Daytona 500 with Kevin Harvick.
I used to live a couple of blocks away from Freeport Raceway.
That was a great place. I grew up there.
Did you?
Hey,
Mill Road.
NASCAR, man.
Derek? Oh yeah, Commonwealth Avenue.
The NASCAR Winston Cup Series.
Yeah.
Hey, man. NASCAR, man.
Where they did the land.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
NASCAR, y'all.
Yeah.
So we used to go.
Hey,
Oh, I went
NASCAR, man.
Yeah.
Stock car races Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays.
Oh,
Freeport
sure.
Stadium.
That was a great place.
It was a great place.
That mayor, she's
Yeah.
the picture of her in there.
Nice,
She's still dead.
good-looking T-shirts.
I put it
Oh,
there.
Good.
sorry.
That's what I feel.
Let me pick this up.
I'm even wrecking the place now.
NASCAR NY.
NASCAR New York, the license plate.
That was a classic.
I know Watkins Glen.
I grew up there. And if you
By
went
the
out
way-
Buffalo Avenue where the junkyard was,
Yeah.
go out, go right across the street.
Right.
Yo, by the
103,
way,
the numbers were this big.
excuse me, sir.
103, that was my shop.
Wow.
Hey, man. I always go to Pocono Raceway
Yeah,
And
that's a
went to Charlotte Motor Speedway and went to the Daytona 500 since 2020, last year. Daytona 500, I went there.
yeah, I knew some of the drivers
What?
personally.
I know Chase Elliott and Kyle Larson.
From the 50s and 60s.
Oh,
not now.
Doc Hudson.
Not-
Doc Hudson
Richard
from
Petty,
Disney
Lee
Picture
Petty,
Cars. Richard
Bobby
Petty.
Allison was a friend of mine.
Bobby Allison.
Knows those names.
Bobby Allison.
I know them all.
I see some
I
NASCAR.
raced this car right here. Right, it could race right now. I raced it at
NASCAR touring race car. NASCAR Whalen number 2. What's that sound? Well, this is awesome. It's kind of dark in here. Oh man. Richard Petty. The King, 7-time NASCAR Cup champion. Look at all the old cars in here. Doc Hudson, Disney Pixar Cars. Oh man. NASCAR Winston Racing official. Pet Boys, man. American Racing Drivers Club. Classic.
We raced these cars at Freeport and Iceland right here.
NASCAR National Midget Champion driver 1958 Johnny Coy. Hey, the lights are on.
I just put them on. I don't leave them on all day.
Nice old
Costs
cars.
money. And I do this all on this place.
I know
here
Richard Petty.
is run on a donation basis.
Yeah.
You can't beat that.
Now, who used to be the good old 42 car? Mellow Yellow.
Just so you know, here's my first car at Freeport.
Hey, man.
Is it?
That's my first car built in Freeport.
Cool Trickle. Days of Thunder.
Unbelievable.
I mean,
Hot Wheels Racing. Mattel.
This donation
all
here?
right behind
Richard
you.
Petty.
Don't rush.
No.
Hey, man.
That's what we do
Tony
here.
Stewart.
Because there's a story here with
Nice trophies. Doc Hudson.
I used to push my brother around Freeport Stadium.
Really?
Oh yeah, it really is amazing.
Nice cars. Oh, baby.
70s. I got
I'm 82.
good for you. God bless.
NASCAR, man.
I'm going to tell you why, so you'll understand. Maybe it'll help as you go.
Yeah, me too.
One day I picked to sweep the street. pushed
Nice 40 car.
past my property,
44 car. 42 car.
rake the yard.
Nice cars.
Straight with the bamboo.
Hey, man.
Bamboo.
Yeah.
I do it. I
This
do
is
something
an
every
old
day, you
fire
know.
suit.
I don't sit around like-
NASCAR Winston Racing.
That's what happened to my brother.
Yeah.
He was sitting in this chair, or in the chair in the living room. One day I
52
said,
car.
I'm going to go in and talk to him. See if I can put some sense in him.
Yeah.
Reg, what?
Hey, man. The 42 car.
What 42 car? That's Richard. Oh, that's Brian Hustle.
Brett Hustle in the 44.
Well, you just said 42, didn't you?
44. I know Tony Stewart.
Turn another light on here, so. Now, what are you talking about?
This 42
Oh,
car.
that's
Cool Trickle.
That's today. That's a today's car. You
In
know,
the 42.
yeah, that's all modern stuff.
And the
This
22
is
car.
Richard Petty, the old days.
I know Richard Petty.
Yeah.
And the number 22. Number 22 car. Who's that used to be?
Who?
The number 22 car.
I don't know.
Caterpillar.
I don't know.
Hey, 94.
Track all of them.
94.
Hey, I'm gonna give you a souvenir.
Bill Elliott. Awesome Bill.
There's a souvenir ticket for you.
Awesome Bill, right? Chase Elliott's
This is,
dad.
look at this from
Hey,
Freeport.
Brand, look at it. This is Freeport.
Look at this.
I know.
Yeah.
I mean, I got the real program too.
Yeah.
You know, these are just posters. I still have that car.
Wow.
That car was
And who
here,
used,
parked out
excuse me,
front
sir,
the
and
day
who used
I
to be
opened
the
this place.
94?
What?
Wow.
94 car?
I don't know. I don't know.
I know Awesome Bill. Awesome
that's
Bill
good
from
if you do it.
Dawsonville.
If you follow it, but I don't.
I
Follow
went
it
to
now.
the
I got enough
NASCAR
to do
Hall of
with
Fame.
The old stuff, you know.
NASCAR Hall of Fame, man.
Yeah.
There's Richard Petty's car.
About a month ago, I took them where BJ's. They built a BJ's on that damn property.
Nice old cars,
I wish
50s.
the Freeport Historical was like.
Yeah.
So, you know, I'm involved in everything.
Right.
Hey, Bill Elliott, man. Fan club. Anthony Camper Racing. Nice Sunoco. Race fuels.
That means almost everybody in the community.
It's incredible.
But when you
Nice place.
got a customer, make it go.
NASCAR Featherweight.
It's too late. There she is.
I see right there. Yeah.
That's all right there.
Hey, let me see that.
No, I don't want to show that. But here, you'll see it here. Hey, Dorothy Storm.
Dorothy
She was the
Storm.
mayor at Freeport.
Yeah, she died.
Oh, good.
Where did she die?
I don't know and don't care. I don't want to even talk about her. After what she did to us,
What?
She ripped down
What?
the speedway.
she tore the speedway down, had sold it out from under us. Crooks.
Then what happened to her?
I don't know. Don't want to know either. She's crooked.
She tore down the speedway?
Yeah.
She sold it. Sold
She-
the property to somebody.
Brandon, that's where BJ's is now.
Yeah.
Yep.
1983, right?
Something like that. One was Islip and Freeport.
Thank God I'm still in more than NASCAR. Thank God I'm in a NASCAR. And what is this?
I was in the NASCAR in the 50s.
Well, yeah.
Firestone.
Wow.
Yeah, that's this car.
Yeah.
See me driving
Well,
this
what
car
year, man?
on a half-mile dirt track.
But what year? Oh, dirt track racing.
I race everywhere.
You used to be a race car driver, don't you?
I still could right now, today.
You are a NASCAR.
I could.
You were a driver.
Yeah,
you were a
sure.
race car driver.
That's me
right?
driving
Yeah.
this car. See the flames coming out the exhaust?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Those
There's
flames.
Richard Petty on it. Look at Richard
Yeah,
Petty
I see.
on the cereal.
Richard
box.
Petty.
Yeah.
You see it,
Oh,
Brandon?
Richard Petty. Cornflakes.
Yeah.
He used to be in the Disney Pixar movie Cars. I saw them 3 Cars movies 2 times.
Yeah.
Sorry, 3 times.
Yeah. There's a lot of history on this property. That's all I can say.
There
Yeah.
sure is.
Dirt track racing.
Yeah, I did it all.
Calling Cameron, 51-year-old man, Gizmo 4, number 28. Alex, the circle of the Daily Road. Correct. Gizmo 4,
Where are you from now?
I live in Long Beach.
Okay.
And he does also.
I know everywhere.
Now, I'm sure you do.
Oh,
if,
yeah.
if you know Freeport, then you know
Sure.
the area.
But I went to Richmond and Dover 2 times.
Yeah, he's going
When
all over the country. His
Uh-huh.
father.
I always
his
travel in
father's a
NASCAR races.
His father's a retired cop. So
Oh,
he
from
goes,
where?
City.
Here's me. That's me and the chief right now.
Hey,
Oh,
let me
really?
see that picture, man.
Wow.
Oh, you.
That's me right here, and that's the chief of police right now.
Wow.
I'm with the Suffolk Police Historical Society.
Wow.
I manage the Freeport, the police museum.
So that's you
That's
in
me.
cartoon, like Disney Pixar,
Where's 2?
right there,
It's 52.
1952.
No, 52. The number is 52.
Oh, the
On back.
52
See it?
car.
See it? That's number 52. That's a different car. That's
And-
this car.
I didn't catch your name.
My name? Marty.
Who-
Marty
who?
Himes.
Marty Himes.
Yep.
Marty Himes. You used to be a race car driver, didn't
Yeah.
you?
A little bit.
Brandon, you read all about him on
Yeah.
internet this morning.
Yeah, Marty
I don't do
Himes.
that. I don't get involved in the internet.
It's something though. They
Marty Himes, NASCAR driver, race car driver.
Important things to do.
Marty Himes, race car driver, right?
Retired.
Retired race car driver.
I'm retired now, and I've been running this museum
Retire-
since 1975.
Oh, retired.
That's amazing.
This guy has been retired like years.
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
Yeah.
That's great.
How long you been racing?
Since 52. That little
1952.
soapbox derby car, the red one. That's
What year did you actually
1952
retire
at
from
Freeport.
racing? What year did you actually retire from racing?
You never really retire, because on the drop of a hat, you could do it.
Always
I
could
came
do
back
it.
One time and
Did you?
did good. And quit again.
When we were kids, we used to. Merrick was still farm.
Hey, Dale Earnhardt.
And at midnight,
Yo, Marty.
they would.
Hey, yo, Marty.
Wait.
Dale Earnhardt.
What about him?
He used to be Dale Jr.'s father. He died at Daytona, right?
Yeah, yeah.
World
We
Crown.
used to watch like 12 o'clock at night after the races
2006.
were over. People would like tow their
Daytona.
cars down Merrick Road, going back to wherever they
They
lived.
went.
Yeah, that was something. I always.
Marty Himes. I know Bill Elliott.
Yeah.
Awesome Bill. Chase Elliott, NASCAR Cup champion.
Anyway,
It's amazing.
this is what I do.
How did you get into collecting all this stuff?
What's that?
How did you get into collecting all this stuff?
Because I wanted to.
I mean, but it
That's
just.
all. I was a driver since I'm a kid,
Right.
12 years old.
And you just never threw
And I
anything
never
out.
really said, well, you know.
But what
let me
year?
do- Let me do the history.
What year, man?
Yeah.
So I did this since 52.
1952.
Yeah. been there.
That's you
done
when
that.
you graduated.
And the bad part is if I didn't do it, this wouldn't be.
Yeah.
Because nobody else has.
Nobody has anything
Nobody
like
has the energy to do what I do.
Yeah.
Period. Or the interest, because it costs money,
this.
and people don't want to do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
And most people, including me, I live on Social Security.
Well, this is a really old race car.
And little donations.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.
NASCAR Winston Racing. I know that. And you have some fire suits.
Some.
Richard Petty, Dale Earnhardt, both 7-time NASCAR Cup champions, right?
Yeah.
Like Jimmy Johnson, I wish Chase Elliott and Kyle Larson could be both NASCAR Cup champions. And Awesomeville, Awesomeville from Dawsonville, Bill Elliott, Chase Elliott, NASCAR Cup champion, and my favorite champion,
That's not my
Clint
era.
Larson too.
I was the 50s and 60s.
And I saw Dale Jr. sweat Pocono twice. I was there. June 8th and August
Look at
3rd.
the jacket, Brendan. It says
I know.
NASCAR, see it?
I know, the Winston, NASCAR Winston Cup
Yeah.
Series.
Yeah.
That's classic.
There's my jacket from Freeport. 1962. Champion drive at Freeport.
Wow.
Me.
1962.
There's my jacket.
Good old history of NASCAR racing, right?
Yep.
Yep. Wow.
My,
I see
my
it.
car
It's
number
beautiful.
150.
Yep. Very nice. Yep.
That's Freeport. I got
Nice
some.
old cars, boy. Nice old cars, old pal.
Nice. Want to look outside, Brent?
Might
Nice.
as well.
Yeah.
It's cold
Nice
out here. after a
place.
while.
Yeah.
Those 3 cars are kind of rusted up. Oh, Italian American restaurant, Merrick.
But look at this. Look at the bar here.
Oh, nice.
Italian restaurant
Yes.
was in
All aluminum
Rockville
foil.
Center,
Was it?
America Road.
I don't remember that.
Old nice NASCAR racing.
It was right
Were those cars were made of iron and steel for racing?
Rosa.
Yo, Marty.
I know them all.
Hey, yo,
There's
Marty.
Nothing you can stump me.
Yeah.
Were those old cars were meant for
What cars?
iron and steel for racing?
He wants to know what they were made of.
All made out of steel.
Steel.
Iron
Today
and
they make them out
steel?
of fiberglass.
Made of iron and steel? Fiberglass?
No, no fiber.
But those cars are made from
Iron and steel back in the 50s, right? Doc
40s
Hudson?
and 30s, 40s, 50s. All
But
made
it-
out
but
of
it's
steel.
changed
all
to a
these cars
little-
are made out of steel. All of them.
They were made of iron and steel.
Yeah.
And check out this. Nice, good looking beauty. Doc Hudson. What do we got over here? Nice old NASCAR racing, man. NASCAR 2000. 52 or... Nice.
Oh, absolutely. I feel healthy that way.
Is that a motorbike in there?
Just like you said.
Hey, Brent, look how this. Look how the hood opens. It opens over here. You pull it up. Don't pull it up. I'm just saying that's how.
I'll
It
open it for you. Show you.
Oh,
You ever
nice.
see anything like that?
It's the original engine.
Yeah,
From 1930
they used to do that
1937.
years ago. 1937, 1930s of racing, right?
Yep. They started racing in 1900. 1904.
1900. Junior Midnight Moon,
Not me,
River
but
Scott.
They did. Because I started with Freeport.
Nice, classic looking babies.
Those were the days, I tell you. I loved that raceway.
You like the one?
Hey, Shell Pennzoil, Joey Logano.
Brent, you want to look?
Yeah.
Now's your chance.
Oh, man.
Wow, this is the wrong time of the year to do this.
STP,
Yeah, see that car
Richard
right there?
Petty,
That's what I said to you yesterday.
See that car right
263.
there in the
Yeah.
story?
The 263 car.
Same car.
STP.
He's the
Freeport
original Freeport car.
BPBE.
It's raced at Freeport just like you see,
Really
with the same
Nice.
tires on
amazing.
Tow truck.
I've not seen like these
Mobile
cars
gas,
ever in
Shell
many, many
Pennzoil.
years.
it. Well,
And
you,
you
of
got
course
them
you're
all.
not going to.
Yeah.
Hey,
I'm the only guy who has them. There's one or two stragglers.
steering
that have
wheels.
them in their backyard or in their garage.
Yeah, but not this
not like
amount.
this.
Hey, yo, Marty. The green flag, black flag,
All the
caution
flags
flag,
for
red
racing.
flag,
Yeah.
blue flag, with a,
57 Chevy.
and the white flag for final lap,
Leave
then
one
checkered
lap.
flag.
That means one lap.
One more lap to go till they get to the checkered flag. They got a dice here. Nice traffic lights.
Amazing.
It's nothing like it in,
No.
in the world.
It's like
Me.
it's an era gone by. I haven't seen signs.
I
like
would
this
say.
Well, nobody did what I do.
Yeah.
Just like in the
Period.
Yeah.
just like in the first Cars movie when Lightning McQueen discovers 3 piston cups. Doc Hudson. Lightning McQueen discovers Doc Hudson's history. Tell me about it.
You mean
Tell me
fall
about
off?
Kathy and Cammy and all NASCAR fans.
No, it's
Tell me about it.
Wouldn't even
This
know.
is
They
cool.
don't care.
No,
History
they don't
in the
care.
making.
We had them underground even.
Nice old looking cars.
Yeah.
I remember my dad's
Cars
50
with 3
56 Chevy.
numbers on it.
If you wanted to put
Those
gas
are
in
old
it,
looking guys.
tail light, twist it. Yeah.
57. I called one first. It was a Freeport car.
We had to twist this.
Those are nice, good looking automobiles.
Amazing.
Stuff when people give
Just like
something away, I
Shrek.
take it. Huh? When people give
Shrek.
something away, I take it.
888. Well, that's funny.
Did you know any of the cops in Freeport?
I know more.
Did you know someone, Howie Hartman?
Sure.
I graduated high school with him. Yeah. He's in Florida now.
I'm in second in command in Freeport. Post
Yo,
right
Marty.
Are you?
now. Yeah, because of the
Yo, Marty.
museum.
Wow.
I know some.
And I'm the second in command, 350 South
yo,
Main
Marty.
Street by Atlantic Avenue.
Yeah.
Marty
There,
boy.
That house.
Oh,
that's
Marty
the
boy.
Historical
Don't interrupt,
Society. And I'm the
I know
second.
where that
I'm
is,
second
yeah.
in charge.
Yeah, yeah, I know. where that is.
888. That's a funny looking number on a car. Yo, Marty. I want to tell you something about this. 888.
Yeah, what about it?
That's a funny name. That was a funny name on a car.
I don't know what you mean. I understand everything. That's a girl's car.
Girl's
She raced it
car.
at Freeport. Yeah, Joanne.
Joanne. She used to drive
That's
that
her car
thing.
number.
Her car number.
888.
What did she
It's
look
big
like?
enough, you
Was
can't
she
miss it.
pretty? Was she pretty?
I don't own. That has nothing to do with it. Nothing. Nothing.
But it's
You got
kind of
your job
funny.
to do.
Yep. That was dangerous stuff, too. I mean, you guys didn't have the protection the drivers have today.
They were racing on dirt, man.
You gotta answer the phone. Excuse me.
Brad, let him answer the phone.
Well, those are good looking babies. 39. And
That's
HRA.
a Crosley Dragster.
Dragster cars. Another
That's
NASCAR
not
Winston Cup. Yep.
That's a drag racing.
No, I
car.
meant NASCAR
Period.
Winston Cup official hat.
Oh,
NASCAR Winston Cup hats.
Yeah.
Old Valvoline.
Yeah.
Hendrick Motorsports is
Look at all these uniforms.
motor oil. Goodyear.
Yeah.
Old.
Champion spark plugs.
If it's out there, I own it.
Lots of
That's all
old
there is to that.
fire
Everybody in
suits.
the world knows me.
Checkered
I'm sure.
flag. Fan club. Good old fire suits.
It's getting too expensive.
NASCAR Whalen.
$550 yesterday.
Motorfield Tour. NASCAR Winston Cup Series Mobile 1. Oh, NASCAR. Oh,
It's terrible.
NASCAR fire suits.
Look at this old flying A, man. I remember this.
Nice gas tanks.
Look at this, Flying A.
Flying A.
That was, yeah, when I was a kid, that
Number
was...
21.
Yeah.
NASCAR, man.
Take a look in here. Brandon, look in here.
NASCAR legend cars. Well, that's nice.
Come on, what's going on with this light? Look at this bike.
Oh, nice bike.
Oh, 1900.
1900s. Nice old fire suits, man. Nice, good looking, weird cars. Weird cars. Airplane.
Oil. License plates.
STP, Richard
Corvette
Petty.
tow truck.
Nice car.
There's me driving you ever heard of AJ Foyt?
AJ Foyt.
Have you ever heard of him? If you say no, then you're in the wrong place. AJ Foyt only won Indianapolis two times.
Yeah.
And that's me driving his Indy
Oh, really?
car.
Wow.
Nice. Number 1 car, Kurt Busch's car. Chip Ganassi.
I'm not into it today. I'm into
Good old
it
fire
in
suits.
the past and history.
Yeah. I see.
3 numbers on an old race car.
But that's what this place is about.
Nice cars. Nice old fire suits. Good old cars. Fire suits. I know that. Green flag, blue flag, black flag, yellow flag, red flag, white flag, final lap, checkered flag. Nice. Nice, good looking, cool cars.
Me and my father, my brothers, sitting out at Numbers on the sidewalk.
447. Jim Lacey.
I remember when my son was a little boy, he got a hold of one.
I got rings.
1981.
I have 3.
They stopped at
Yo, Jim Lacey, Marty.
I still have 1.
Yeah, that's amazing.
2, I got 3.
That's great.
But I'm not selling them.
And
No.
the 29. Good classic.
Here I am with the police department museum.
Hey, hey,
That's my car right there.
Howie Broad. 69.
Yeah, thank you.
Legend. Let me see that.
No, right there. That's me and my car.
Yeah.
At the police department, huh?
Oh, I see a steam train.
I don't have that.
A picture of it. Look. In the Statue of Liberty. Nice old race cars.
It's a long time
And old
ago.
drivers.
Enjoy this.
Yeah.
Marty.
What?
Steam train.
What?
Look.
What about? There's a steam locomotive.
And old race cars. Old NASCAR drivers. What are their names? That's a nice looking lady.
That's the way they're made.
Yeah.
From the days, 40s and 50s.
Oh, man.
That stuff was made great. No
Nice,
one made
good old
this
8 car.
kids did in those days.
Those days it was great.
1914.
I'm 82 years old.
Yeah.
3 car.
No,
They say
you're
I
in
don't
good
even
shape,
look
man.
82.
No, you don't.
My doctor don't believe I'm 82.
Bruno
It's amazing.
But you see that picture behind you? You didn't say nothing.
Breakery. 71.
Ronald Reagan.
Oh my God.
To Marty Himes.
Wow.
ARA.
That's amazing.
Nice good old 12 car. I know Ryan Blaney is a driver in number 12 car.
Penny is what they call.
Ryan Blaney is a number...
Wow.
I know Ryan Blaney from Team Penske.
Look at this
I love
kid,
the-
yeah, amazing.
Number 12 body armor Ford. The win in Atlanta and Daytona.
Just amazing.
It actually is. It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
You didn't
Firestone.
look
Good looking
Yeah, I
cars,
saw
man.
that. I saw
What?
Flying A before. Flying A?
up? No,
What?
that's nothing. That was from my Flying A station.
Like
Isn't that-
NASCAR Cup
Look,
racing,
look
man.
what's there. From Freeport. Look at the traffic lights. Still there.
That's from Freeport? Wow.
Oh, nice
If I
traffic
say so,
lights. I've
that's it.
seen them
No, I
before.
believe it.
I just turned it on. I don't leave it on.
That's
I just turned it on because you were here. Yeah. Yeah, all of this stuff. I had a Flying A station on Jerusalem Avenue.
Did you?
Yeah.
Wow.
in East Meadow. I had a Shell station in Central Islip on Lowell Avenue. I had a Sinclair station on Babylon Turnpike and Independence Avenue.
Babylon Turnpike where? In Merrick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babylon Turnpike and Babylon Turnpike and Independence Avenue. There was
Wow.
a deli right there. And across the street was my
Yeah,
Sinclair.
yeah.
My Sinclair station.
Wow.
Nice history, Marty. Nice
Yeah,
NASCAR
it is.
history,
Yeah.
Marty.
Yeah.
Because I went to Calhoun. I went to the
Oh,
high
yeah.
school right by there.
Oh, I'm going to tell you something so you'll keep this in the back of your mind. The best race car driver in the world came from America.
I know Marty.
From Merrick?
I'm going to tell
Marty
you.
boy.
I don't care what you think or
No,
or
no,
who
no.
thinks.
Who's the
I'm
world's
telling
famous
you,
NASCAR
he
driver?
was the best. Johnny
Who's the
Ford.
best race car?
Came from
Johnny who?
Merrick?
51 Horatio Avenue.
I didn't know that.
Right off America. Of course you
Yo,
know.
Johnny
I'm
who?
telling you.
Ah,
That's where he was from. And
Wow.
he was my best friend.
that's amazing. Okay.
Well, basically, you know.
Man,
Yeah.
you're a nice race car driver,
Oh,
aren't you,
sure.
Brendan,
Marty boy?
Sure was.
Brendan, you want to see some history?
Yeah.
It's President
President
Reagan
Reagan. Signed
President
to me.
Reagan.
to Marty Himes with best wishes
Marty
from Ronald Reagan.
Himes.
Yep.
That's his car.
Marty Himes.
Been there and done that.
Old race car driver. Hey, Marty boy? Marty Himes.
And this is a car that's just here because it was going to go to the jump.
Really?
The guy said, you want it, take it.
Yeah. I don't
Well,
blame
here it is.
It's amazing.
Well, it's kind of rusty and old. Legends, cars,
I spend a lot of time here.
I'm sure you do.
Every day.
good wrench.
It's great.
I drive this
NASCAR
car. That's
Winston.
my everyday car.
Do you?
NASCAR Winston Racing.
1937. These are the ticket booths.
Those are some nice old sponsors.
There's a different year on it. Different price. God.
What are these things used to be?
No, I can use it. I'm a man with a lot of profits.
No, what's
450.
450. Let me see what's in. Here's the turnstile, see it? With the red one.
Nice car.
See how you-
76.
how you go.
Classic.
Here's the ticket booth.
Like
The wall
NASCAR,
tickets
man.
are still on the wall, hanging up. And there's Arlene, mannequin.
Incredible.
Yeah, it's the
man.
same ticket I gave you. Okay.
That guy,
Well,
that,
at least
that
I gave
person's
you-
mad of wax. Oh, well, that guy's mad of wax.
3-foot sign that says up on top of the press box.
Yeah.
Where the announcer was. I took it.
Old gas station,
I could hear the announcer from my house.
old tires.
It was great.
Well, depending on the weather.
Nice old
Yeah.
tires, Marty boy.
There's people on an old Merrick website that they're on the computer. All of them talk about Freeport Raceway.
Well, if they don't, there's something wrong with it.
Yeah, they all talk about
But
it.
if they,
As kids, you know, we all grew
I don't
up-
even own a computer and don't own one.
Yeah,
But if they want to talk,
they
tell
do.
them to come out.
They do.
Come out.
I will tell them. I'm gonna post it tonight.
That's old.
Amazing.
Because I want, like I said,
Classic.
roll mixed and roll in China.
50, number 15. Gas stations, races, posters.
That's a Thank you.
Nice.
But I've been there and done
Marty Himes, boy.
I'm gonna put this online tonight. I want my friends to see it.
Marty Himes.
that. Yes, sir. But if you want to talk history,
I read lots of history of NASCAR, the NASCAR Hall of Fame, Dale
NASCAR
Earnhardt,
about this.
Dale Jr.,
they don't care. Never been there.
Marty
I'm
Himes.
only here since 1975. And they never been here and said hello. That's the way I feel.
Yeah,
I don't care whether you ever come.
Yeah,
You don't come. I have a saying. You don't come, you don't have to go home.
yeah. That's true.
And if you don't come and you don't see this stuff, you're missing something.
Yeah.
Because this is it.
Yeah.
This is the
honestly,
start.
This is too good to be true.
It actually is. Freeport
Marty
Stadium
Himes.
was originally dirt,
Yeah, that I know.
made out of cinders, crushed
That I didn't-
stone.
Wow.
You went around sideways. It was beautiful.
I remember they also on the other side of Maricopa.
Marty
used to have
Hines.
A fireman like.
Fireman's Field?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's just
they knocked
normal.
that
That's
down
normal.
too.
Sure, they take everything.
Yeah, they took it all.
Once somebody gets involved, money.
Yeah.
That's the end of it.
Yeah.
Because it's going.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It don't matter who you are.
Yeah.
Because once you get involved with that,
Yeah.
you got to get out of the way.
What a great town though. A lot of history in that town.
Great
Oh, yeah,
history.
Freeport was great.
Marty Hines.
Yeah.
Good old race car driver.
Freeport was a great place. And Merrick too, because that's where I grew up. I lived there.
And by the way-
I moved there when I was 3.
Wow.
From Oceanside.
I moved there when I was 11.
Hey, Richard, let me
yeah?
talk to
What's
Marty
up?
Hines.
Go ahead.
Hey, Richard. It's all right.
Yeah.
Marty Hines.
Yeah.
I found a good NASCAR track called Pocono Raceway. Don't ever come to NASCAR races sometime.
You go there, you have to drive all the way there to see a race.
NASCAR
I
races,
used to go
NASCAR
there
Cup
30, 40
racing.
years ago.
I know Chase Elliott, Kyle Larson, both my NASCAR Cup champions. I saw Dale Jr. swept Pocono 2
They don't care
times.
about this. They missed the boat.
I went to
someday-
Merrick in 61.
Because someday I won't be here.
Richard.
What?
Someday, Marty Hines, I'll take you to RPM Raceway. I know lots of history. I did many racing at RPM Raceway. I'm a legend there,
Yeah, well,
just like you.
nobody's like me. No, I do this myself.
Yeah.
I do it all. Every day I open the doors and close the windows and pay the bills.
Nice.
And when I'm gone, it's going to be over. And I've been here. I opened this place 1975.
Did you?
I
1975.
moved here in 65
Richard,
from
let me
Freeport,
talk.
from Mill,
Richard,
103 Mill Road.
Let me talk. to
I'm
this
not
guy.
talking. I'm listening to him, Brandon.
And that's when I
1975.
moved here, and I've been here ever since. Yep.
Amazing.
June 28th and May
Yeah,
15th
it's all
or
this-
May
look at the
10th
prices.
or
Yeah.
May 9th or
They
May.
don't have. They wouldn't answer the phone for that, but none of them prices.
It's true.
Check yourself.
They don't care,
It's true.
and it's sad that all them big shots. No, they don't come here.
They lost that whole town.
Of course.
Main Street used to be like every.
I can tell you,
My parents
we had a
used to
gas
take me
station. We had a
shopping
Texaco
there.
station on
Hey Richard,
Main
case
and Bedell.
case I got
right there, the
NASCAR right.
Tri-corner service. Texaco.
Where was it?
Right on the corner.
Oh yeah.
Tri-corner service. Right there, Texaco.
Yeah. I know where that truck.
Rainage
was.
Glass Works across the street.
Wow.
I can tell you everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing.
This guy in here is made out of wax, wasn't he?
You remember Casino Pool?
Sure, I swam there enough.
Yeah, I did too.
Used to be 10 cents to get in.
Freeport Speedway.
No one knows about that place anymore.
I do.
Yeah. That's
Take
great.
Casino Street. Yep. Been there and done that. And
Guy Lombardo lived down there too.
And there's a
Guy
checkered
Lombardo was a
flag.
personal friend of mine.
Really?
I have pictures signed from him.
Wow.
Sure. And Al Grover.
Yeah,
He's
oh.
one of my best friends.
Really?
Right now. Even today.
I didn't even know he's still alive, Al Gore.
Oh, yeah, he is. He was the last time I heard.
I remember.
Because he was here not too long.
Really?
Not too long ago.
I remember he built a boat.
Oh, yeah.
He built a boat that went across.
Temple.
Yeah.
Am I talking? You paying attention?
No, I am. I'm listening.
Nice history,
I've
Mr.
been there
Marty.
and done it all.
That
About
was-
everything.
Yeah, that Grover's was an amazing
Al
place.
Grover
for
was a
boats.
great guy.
Yeah.
And Guy Lombardo had the sweetest music this
Yeah.
side of heaven.
Yeah, he was good. I used to see the
That
Jones
was
Beach Theater.
his slogan.
Yeah,
And he had the tempo too.
yeah. Yeah, he was good. He was real
Mahogany
good.
boat. Speedboat.
Speedboat.
Yeah, no, I
know my dad's
I
friend
saw his
Charlie.
boat. He's the first person I ever
Let's
saw.
go out in front here. It's too cold here. Standing
When we were-
Yeah, it is too
Yeah.
cold.
We used to like take a small boat and go like in his backyard in Hudson Bay.
Oh,
Man, I haven't seen these. I
just
don't
like
know.
a drive-in movie
It
theater,
is.
Marty
That's
boy.
what it is. I've never seen anything like it. I
Nice
haven't
old
seen that.
tires.
Yeah, gotta be the 50.
Hey, man. Marty boy, just like a drive-in movie theater.
The drive-in.
Oh,
Those things.
yeah,
Marty boy.
They've been gone for
Just like a
years.
drive-in movie theater.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, Brenda, we're gonna be going on.
Okay.
It's getting chilly.
Yeah,
Nice.
come back in the spring.
Marty, we will. We'll
Hey,
be back
this
in
is
the
a- this
spring. It was really a pleasure meeting
Hey,
you.
but
And
now you got
Oh.
something to think about.
I'm gonna be thinking a lot.
Next time.
But I know about
Next
all.
time, Marty
I know
boy.
about Merrick and Freeport
Richard.
and Belmore.
Sure do.
Richard
I know
Pett-
about
Richard
all of it.
McCall, let me
PC
talk to
Richards
Marty.
on Sunrise High, Whooper's Farm Stand on
Yeah,
the corner,
yeah,
New
yeah,
Bridge
yeah,
Road.
yeah.
There's
Yeah.
nothing you can stump me.
Wow, it's amazing.
I've been
He
in and done
really,
it.
really knows a lot about the area that I grew up in. Brenda.
Yeah.
I know NASCAR, man.
That's for sure.
By the way.
NASCAR, they
Awesome.
don't care about this. They never been here.
And by the way, Marty boy.
And
Oh man.
what does it say?
What does it say?
Let me.
There's my Freeport pin,
Wow.
driving
NASCAR.
pin,
NASCAR.
NASCAR and ARDC. This, yes. Each
Nice.
pin means something.
That's something. That's something.
They were my,
Marty
that was my
boy.
driving pins from those days.
You've
Marty
lived
boy?
quite a life, sir.
No, I did.
And Marty
someday-
boy.
Sorry to say.
I might bring my dad here and my mom here.
He wants to bring his dad here. He's gonna
Well,
bring his dad here.
Next time, Marty boy, I might bring my mom and dad here
Well, that's-
to read all the history of racing about you,
Yeah, but
about Marty boy, Marty
Yeah.
Himes, Marty Haynes, y'all.
who?
Marty, what's your Marty who?
Himes.
Marty Himes, Marty Himes.
Been Marty Hines since I'm 82 years old.
That's amazing. Great shit.
Oh boy.
Listen,
Okay.
Marty, God bless, huh?
And watch this corner. They're leaving, the cars go flying up and down.
Yeah.
People on a cell phone. Be careful. Thank you.
Marty Himes,
Take care.
you're up, man.
Okay.
What up, fellas? We had a great time at nice historic stuff happening in the Himes Museum. Marty Himes, he was a NASCAR, he was a race car driver, man. Right, Richard?
In the 50s.
In the 50s with good old Doc Hudson, he had Dale Earnhardt, Richard Petty, Bill Elliott, Awesome Bill. All funny names on the cars. All funny numbers on one of the old cars. Historic Marty Himes, a really good race car driver. Hope I'll bring my dad and mom here to learn about the history of Marty Himes, race car driver. So, if you want to leave a comment down below, click that like button, and click that subscribe button. And subscribe if you want to see more of my videos of NASCAR in the Poconos and my trip to lots of NASCAR tracks. Click on it. This is NASCAR 88 Brendan Gavka 24 signing off.